Highway Code, Rule 8. At a junction, when crossing the road, look out for traffic turning into the road, especially from behind you. If you have started crossing and traffic wants to turn into the road, you have priority and they should give way to you. But I wouldn't rely on it. But as drivers, be aware that pedestrians often think that they have right of way. Rule 9. Pedestrian safety barriers. Where there are barriers, cross the road only at the gaps provided for pedestrians. Do not climb over the barriers or walk between them and the road. Tactile paving. Rule 10. Tactile paving. Raised surfaces that can be felt underfoot provide warning and guidance to blind or partially sighted people. The most common surfaces are a series of raised studs which are used at crossing points with a dropped curb, or a series of rounded raised bars which are used at level crossings at the top and the bottom of steps and at some other hazards. Now this is often a theory question, so even though this is for pedestrians, it's still relevant for drivers.